Initializing AI system. Loading intelligence. Welcome to AI engine.
Weight strength, engineered for peak performance. Carbon fiber panels and precision machined alloys form the core of its advanced
The torque is
structure.
approaching critical levels.
I'm adjusting the material stress parameters now.
Every Bugatti is crafted and tested to meet uncompromising performance standards. Every vehicle is rigorously tested before leaving the factory.
And that's how a Bugatti supercar is made, belonging from start to finish.